Chitranjan. I am the CTO of Cropin Technology, and I have been associated with Cropin since last 4 years. This has been a great journey till so far. We believe if there are challenges, there are opportunities, and we believe agriculture is the biggest playground where a lot of complexities are there. And here at Cropin Technology, we use a lot of different cutting-edge technologies to solve some of the major challenges in agriculture. We believe if you can't measure, you can't improve. Cropin Technology provides lots of different technology to our customer to measure their data and thereby empowering them to analyze their data and improve their processes. Our mobility and remote sensing technologies help our customers to get near real-time data of their remote farms, and so that they can take right decisions at the right time. Here at Cropin Technology, we work with a lot of different exciting technologies like Python, R, which enables our data science team, and we use also IoT devices to generate a lot of data from the farms, and then we use remote sensing technology where we take pictures from the satellite to understand the health of the crop. We normally look for people who are innovative and energetic. We're looking for people who are self-starter, who can drive things by their own, and continuously looking for opportunities for innovations. And leveraging different kind of tools and technology, they can solve complex problem of this particular domain. If you are looking for excitement, then probably this is the place. Okay, Cropin is the place where we are trying to solve one of the most complex domain, agriculture, and we are trying to solve a lot of major challenges in agriculture. So if you want to be part of the journey, solving world's biggest industries, some of the complex problem, then this is the place.
Hi, this is Priyanka, and I work as a customer success manager with Cropin. Saying that only I work or my team works as a customer success manager is just restricting the culture here at Cropin. It's not just us. We're a technology company, and we've got something for the agri-businesses. We've got something for the field force out there in the fields doing the work, and we're also having something for the farmer. We're not just focusing to making agriculture sustainable and then enhancing the businesses' need to feed more than more people, but we are also working to make the farmer's son be proud about what he's doing, and seeing this as a financially sustainable business. So the whole team here at Cropin is driven towards that particular goal, and we function to even the technology, the business analytics, and everybody in the team drives towards customer success. Everything that we do here is that we want to see our customers successful. The good thing about my role and the journey here and the culture at Cropin is that you don't work in silos. You're not restricted to one particular role. If you have the skills and you've got something to give to the organization, you can do it regardless. And everyone here, the culture and the hierarchy is split pretty flat. So the CEO is accessible pretty quickly, the CTO is accessible pretty quickly, and you can just get your ideas through them, and you can get something that you think is great implemented pretty quickly. We're working with great technology here, and that's the problem we are trying to solve. Also talking about how the reporting functions, that is also one of my chief purview. The reporting has to be at 3 levels, which is to be for the management, for the people at the field, and even for the farmer. So that's what we are looking, that whoever is looking at the data, because we are a data-driven company, is able to digest that data, make sense of that data, and use that data basis his needs. So this is the current focus of the company. At the end of the day, we want to reach out to the farmer and make this more sustainable, and that's a whole workaround. When we talk about customer success and also talking to businesses, we're not only restricted to India, and we are working with customers, let's say in Kenya, and customers in coffee growers in Cambodia and other places. And when we are working with them, we have to really make sure that we solve their business problems or the problem statements straight ahead, and that's a focus that we are moving towards.